Today I am going to show you 5 MCQs on differentiation for both preparation and even these sums. If you see how to solve it in a faster way, that I am going to show you. So let's do the sums one by one. So see, read the sum. If y equals to under root 1 plus sin x by 1 minus sin x, then find the value of dy by dx. And here a equals to half sec square pi by 4 minus x by 2. So here you are seeing the options here x by 2 format, and if I go for solving it taking like that y equals to root x, now ddx of y is dy by dx and ddx of root x is 1 by 2 root x. But if we go for doing it, x by 2 no way is coming. Even further differentiation of 1 plus sin x by 1 minus sin x also, if you do u by v format, then also you are not getting x by 2 like something. So think it in a different way. Check it. First we are writing given y equals to under root 1 plus sin x by 1 minus sin x. So what we can do here, from here convert it into cos x. So 1 plus, because sin 90 degree minus theta is cos theta and cos 90 degree minus theta is sin theta. So we can write cos 90 degree means what? Pi by 2 x we can write, and even here 1 minus cos pi by 2 minus x we can do. Easily we can do. Now a trigonometric formula states that, see here, cos 2 theta equals to 1 plus cos 2 theta 2 cos square theta, and 1 minus cos 2 theta equals to 2 sin square theta. Now the question is there any cos 2 theta? No 2 theta. So from here also we can write 1 plus cos theta equals to 2 cos square theta by 2. And even from here we can write 1 minus cos 2 theta equals to cos theta, 1 minus cos theta equals to 2 sin square theta by 2. 2 sin square theta by 2. Dekho, whenever 2 is there, that time no issue, 1 plus cos 2 theta, 2 cos square theta. But whenever cos theta, just cos theta, 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2, 1 minus cos theta goes to 2 sin square theta by 2. Very, very important formula. Do not forget it, and you can find its application at many cases. Now see here, so easily we can write 1 plus cos theta means 2 cos square theta. Now it is 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sin square theta. Same way theta by 2 here we have to apply. So pi by 4 minus x by 2 we can write, and here it was root, so root we have given. Now follow it, 2 cut off, and this is cos square by sin square, that is cot square under root, that means only cot pi by 4 minus x by 2. Yes or no? And here you can write y equals to, now differentiating both sides with respect to x, what we can get? Now dy by dx equals to ddx of cot x minus cosec square x. So minus cosec square x. X means what? Now pi by 4 minus x by 2. Now very interestingly, it is cot pi by 4 minus x by 2. So further differentiation of what is inside the bracket, that is also required. Further differentiation of pi by 4 minus x by 2 is what? Pi by 4 is the constant, so ddx of constant is 0, but ddx of minus x by 2 is minus half. So we can write here only minus half. Okay, so result is what? Minus and minus positive. So half cosec square pi by 4 minus x by 2. So any option, such option is there, half cosec, here it is, okay, half cosec square pi by 4 minus x by 2. Yes, this option. So option B is correct. Therefore here just I am writing, therefore option B is correct. Hope you understood this sum. Now next sum, let us clean it. See here the sum. If y equals to under root 1 plus tan x by 1 minus 10x, then dy by dx. These are the options. So how to proceed with here also देखो pi by 4 something is there, but there is no pi by 4. But we know that tan a plus b means tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. Just try to convert it and sum will be easier. So y equals to under root 1 plus 10x and this is 1 minus 10x. So what we can do now? Easily we can write 10 pi by 4, tan 45 degrees 1 plus 10x divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. So again 10 pi by 4 means 1 into 10x is 10x, because here it is 1 minus 10x. 10x into 1, instead of 1 we have written 10 pi by 4, because 10 pi by 4 means 1, and dot this is 10x is there, so 10x we have written. Now we are getting one formula. What is that? Now tan a plus b, that is x plus pi by 4 we are getting. Tan a plus b. Tan a plus b means the tan b plus a. Same thing it is, because tan b plus a or tan a plus b. Just that variable first, then the constant we have written tan, this one. Now under root 10, this we have got. So y equals to, now ddx of y. Differentiating both sides with respect to x. So dy by dx we are getting, and ddx of root x is 1 by 2 root x. देखो ddx of root x means 1 by 2 root x. This formula you know well. So ddx of root x means 1 by 2 root x to root 10 x plus pi by 4. Further differentiation of 10x, because inside the root there is 10x plus pi by 4. So ddx of 10x is sec square x. Sec square x plus pi by 4. We are getting option B is correct. So therefore option B is correct. I hope you understood. Yes or no? Now, let us show you question number 3. See here, if y equals to tan inverse cos x plus sin x by cos x minus sin x, then dy by dx. Whenever this kind of sum, then tan inverse try to remove only. That means this inverse part only try to remove in this kind of, because whenever MCQ type of questions, please remember in case of MCQ type of questions, generally that means you have to apply some trick or apply some formulas by which you can solve it. So ddx of here tan inverse this one asked. So what we can write, given y equals to tan inverse cos x plus sin x by cos x minus sin x. So what we can write, ddx of tan inverse this. Acha, how to solve it quicker way? So dividing both the numerator and denominator, by cos x. If we do, then what we are getting? Now tan inverse, this is 1 plus 10x and 1 minus 10x. देखो previous format it has come the previous format. That means previous format, try to remember. This is this way, no issue. So 1 plus 10x, that is what? 10 pi by 4 minus 10x. That time it was plus sign, so plus, same format it was. So 1 minus 10a tan b, so 10 pi by 4 dot 10x. Next line, tan inverse, then further 10, because this is the tan a plus b format. So tan a plus b, x plus pi by 4 only we are getting. Yes or no? So tan inverse will be out, remaining what? X plus pi by 4. Up to this it is clear. That is y equals to x plus pi by 4. So from here y equals to x plus pi by 4 we are getting. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x. So dy by dx equals to ddx of x is 1 and constant is 0. So 1 plus 0 is only 1. So here option is A. Option A is correct. Why I am writing this way? In the exam hall also below, this way you have to write so that teacher can understand well, because while marking they can easily mark. That means yes, correct, and the right marks they can give. Okay, now next question I am showing you. Question number 4. See, this sum is easier than the other sums. Here it is, directly I am trying to do, it is this one from here. Suppose this is the situations. So what we can write, tan inverse. Achha, see the questions you have seen. If y equals to tan inverse under root 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x, dy by dx equals to question mark. And option A equals to half, B half, C 1 by 1 plus x squared, D none of this. So how to solve it? So here tan inverse 1 minus cos x. So we are writing this one. So 1 minus cos x, 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sin square theta, but 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2. So 2 sin square theta by 2. Down also 2 cos square x by 2, because 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta. So 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. Already I have given you the formula. 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta, 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sin square theta, and 1 plus cos theta means 2 cos square theta by 2, 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2. Don't forget. So here 2 cut off, we can say, so tan inverse, we can write sin square by cos square, means tan square x by 2 under root, so only tan x by 2, tan cut off, only x by 2, therefore ddx of y equals to ddx of x by 2 is only half. So option is what? B is the correct answer. So option B is correct. Hope you understood. Now last sum I am going to show you. Now series, in this last question, this is the pattern, y equals to under root 1 plus x by 1 minus x. So this sum also we can do in two ways. Suppose this is this to the power half 1 plus x by 1 minus x whole to the power half, and you can taking log to both sides also you can solve that. Taking log also you can solve, or just simply you are writing that y equals to this one, that means this whole as you are taking as suppose x, so whole under root x is there, so ddx of y, so in this case dy by dx, directly what you can write, now dy by dx equals to ddx of root x means 1 by 2 root x, so 1 by 2 root x, root x means 1 plus x by 1 minus x, and further differentiation of 1 plus x by 1 minus x, so ddx of 1 plus x by 1 minus x, this is. Next line, what you can say, now 1 by 2 and देखो root under root a by b, we can write to root a by root b. So here in this case what you can do, now root 1 minus x by root 1 plus x, because root 1 plus x by root 1 minus x, now 1 minus x is going to the numerator, that's why we have written this way, and ddx of u by v means v ddx of u, v means here 1 by x, ddx of u means 1 plus x, that is further differentiation of 1 plus x is only 1, directly I am doing, try to understand. And next what we are doing, now minus 1 plus x, and ddx of 1 minus x is minus 1 we are doing, and here 1 minus x whole square means 2 times we can write 2 times. Next follow karo, this one half, and this one under root 1 minus x, 1 minus x, and this is under root 1 plus x, and this is 1 minus x, let it be under root 1 plus x, because here all they are trying to remove That means this root part they want to remove and that exponent part they want to bring. No issue. So we are writing 1 plus x to the power half. And this one is coming what? 1 minus x to the power half, because this is half to the power half and this is whole to the power 1. So 1 minus half is half. And this is already 1 minus x we are writing. And here 1 minus x minus 1. Acha, this is plus. Because this minus 1 and this 1. So minus, this is plus and 1 plus x only. We can write. So this x cut off. Only 2, 1 plus 1, 2. That is 2 cut off. That is only 1 by, we can write 1 plus x to the power half. And then 1 minus x whole to the power half plus 1. That is 3 by 2. I hope you understood. That is 1 plus 1, 2. 2 cut off. Means extra, if you want to write right here, then 2. Now 2 cut off. So this is 1 by this one, and the option is where? This is C is the correct option. Yes or no? Because 1 plus x whole to the power half and 1 minus x whole to the power 3 by 2. So always check the answers twice, thrice, because this is a part of MCQ in case of JEE Mains or advanced you are facing. So whatever the situations, if you do not follow scrutinizingly, initially you may think this is the right answer, but for a fraction of second, if you make any mistake, then it will be a great mistake in the exam hall. So try to avoid this kind of mistakes. Check twice, thrice if it is required, but finally come to the answer. So option, what we can write now? Option C is correct. Option C is correct. Okay, all the best. Practice at home.